Construct an angle of 125 degrees. In this video, we will learn how to construct an angle of 125 degrees. First, we need to draw a line segment. To do so, take a ruler and draw a line segment and label the endpoints as A and B. Extend this line to a suitable length. Before constructing a 125-degree angle, we need to construct a 90-degree angle. To do so, take a compass, adjust it to some length, and using point A as a center, draw an arc as shown. After this, without changing the length of the compass, and using this intersection point as a center, cut the arcs on the previous arc as shown. After this, without changing the length of the compass, and using these 2 points as a center, cut arcs as shown. Draw a line passing through this point from endpoint A of the line segment. The angle made by this line with a horizontal line is 90 degrees. After this, to get the 125-degree angle, take a compass and adjust it to the length between these 2 points. And using this point as the center, draw an arc as shown. Next, without changing the length of the compass and using this point as a center, cut another arc on the previous arc as shown. In the end, draw a line passing through this point from endpoint A of the line segment. This line will be inclined at the required 125-degree angle. You can cross-check by using a protractor. I hope you have understood how to construct an angle of 125 degrees. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, and if you are new to my channel, ADTW Learn, click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications to receive all my latest videos.